And hello again, Jeremy with Bronte Companies. Jeremy Prunty here, walking you through another one that I just closed on. We'll do a quick exterior walk around. It's already vinyl sided, got all vinyl windows, brand new roof. That was put on before I closed. It's nice setup. Got a little vinyl siding repair to do there. Gotta get my hauling guy, get rid of this pile. So we got a nice oversized one car garage, all center block right there. A lot of retaining wall going on right there. We got a little shed here. Actually, let me pause it and lock this up. Alright, back at you. Had to install a super high-tech locking mechanism on that. Whatever works. So yeah, all vinyl sided. Yeah, nice little, all this is paved back here. It's asphalt area, so I don't know, really nice for something. No, yeah, well, it's completely gutted inside. I was about to say there's no AC. That's probably where it's at. You see the hole coming through right there? Yeah, so that's just for my notes. Need to make sure to order an AC when I order everything else for it. Like I said, the people I bought it from had it completely gutted inside already, so that's a lot of work done for me, basically. And it's pretty easy to walk around. This house actually was what's considered to be a Sears house, or they build a lot of these post war era just for really quick, simple houses to get erected super quick. They basically came as a package through a magazine. You can see these trusses are just like bolt together. All the walls just like came in on trucks, and you just put them together, plopped them up, and it was good to go. It's just a super quick, efficient house. I actually have one more that we're remodeling right now. It was a fire damaged one, so we did have to completely gut that one and whatnot. But this one's already gutted, like I said, so a lot of the work's done. I think they were breaking this up for plumbing or something, so just got a bathroom's gonna go here. I don't know if I'll make this one 2 or 3 bedrooms. We might try 3 on this one. We'll see. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty open shell, as you can see, and whatnot. So yeah, this will be yet another nice rental home that I'll turn it into. So for more tools and tips, know-how, information, whatnot on how to do just this passive income real estate investing with no money out of pocket, no money into it when I'm done, and have it termed out to a bank loan, whatnot. Make sure to fill out your info on the website. That'll be popping up in this video, or either the beginning or middle, end, somewhere on there. It'll be somewhere. Or if you have any questions, comments, make sure to post them down below. Let me know, send me an email, whatever you want. Otherwise, on to the next one. I think I've got one more closing. Oh, yeah, I don't know when that's closing. Soon. So check back, as always, and we'll see you on the next house. Thank you.